Okay, hi and assalamualaikum. Today I want to present my grouping task, which is rainwater collection tank analysis. The context is about school project and purpose, which is rainwater collection. So first of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah, prize and thank to God because with His grace I have successfully completed this mathematical reasoning project. So I would like to express my deepest appreciation to my lecturer Jafar Akbar bin Mustam for the continuous guidance, constructive feedback and encouragement throughout the completion of this assignment. Your expertise and support were invaluable in helping me understand the topic more effectively. So I am also thankful to my family members for their endless moral support and understanding during the preparation of this coursework. Their encouragement has greatly motivated me to put forth my best effort. Lastly, I extend my gratitude to my classmates and friends for their cooperation, ideas and assistance, which contributed significantly to the successful completion of this project. Thank you to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly in this project. So we continue with the question. So the question about the water tank in school, the collection water from rain, like. So a local school plans to install a cylindrical water tank with a spherical dome on top to collect rainwater. The cylindrical part has a radius of 3 meters and a height of 6 meters, while the dome has the same radius with the cylindrical, which is 3 meters. So the students are required to calculate the total volume of the tank in liters, determine the time needed to completely fill it when water flows in at a rate of 200 liters per minute, and analyze how much water remains after 30% of it is used in one day. Finally, they should illustrate the structure of the tank and justify their calculation using appropriate formulas and mathematical reasoning. So for my part, I'm using subtraction method, which is using minus operation, the operation of finding the difference between two numbers or quantity. It is one of the four fundamental arithmetic operations. So in the context of problem solving, the subtraction method is used when the goal is to determine a remaining amount after a portion have been removed or used or reduced. Buang, guna atau dikurangkan. Jadi step untuk problem solving is memahami masalah tersebut, iaitu understanding the problem. The goal is to analyze the rainwater collection tank shape like a cylinder with a hemispherical dome. We need to find the three things. First is total volume of the tank in liters. Second is time need to fill the tank at a rate of 200 liter per minute. The third is water remaining after 30% the volume is used. Maksudnya 30% daripada tank tu telah digunakan dalam satu hari tu. Subtraction method ni akan digunakan untuk soalan ketiga sebab dia berlaku proses penolakan. So ni tank structure and dimension untuk sfera. The radius is 3 meter, the height 6 meter. So for hemisphera, which is separuh sfera with radius 3 meter, dia punya diameter is 3 and the height is 3. So the second step of polia is devising a plan. The plan involves 3 phases using standard geometry and rate formula, concluding with the subtraction method. So the first formula is the first formula used for total volume is volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphera. The second, time to fill, we use total volume over rate, which is the rate is 200 liter per minute. The third is water remaining. The formula is total volume minus used volume, which is subtraction method we apply at the water remaining. So the third step in kuliah is carrying out the plan. So langkah pertama dia ialah calculate the volume of cylinder volume and hemisphere volume. So we use formula of cylinder, which is pi r square h plus hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. So kita masukkan radius dia 3 and the height of cylinder 6. The radius of hemisphere is 3. In this ni kita tak masukkan lagi nilai of pi sebab kita akan masukkan masa convert nanti. So the total volume of cylinder in hemisphere is 72 pi meter cube. So we convert to liter and we masukkan nilai pi tu 72 multiple by 3.1416 multiple by 1000 liter. The question is must convert to liter. So we get 226,195 liter total volume of the tank. So langkah kedua is calculate time to fill, masa untuk penuhkan tank tu. Jadi the formula is total volume over rate. The total volume we get tadi is 226,195 liter over 200 liter per minute. So the time yang kita dapat is 1130.975 minutes. So we convert to hours, we get 80 hours 51 minutes. The tank is like this lah. Ni the rain and the time we calculate, get 18 hours 51 minutes. So this is the third question tadi yang we use subtraction method. We calculate the remaining mean like the total of the tank we minus with the used water. So we calculate the used volume is 30% of the tank, so 0.3 in decimal multiple by total volume. Total volume we get is 226,145 darab dengan 0.3, we get 67,858.5 liter. So so the second is apply subtraction method to calculate the water remaining. So we use total volume which is 226,145 liter minus by volume used. Volume used we get at the first calculation ni, tolak lah. Bila kita tolak kita dapat 158,336.5 liter. So ni gambarannya lah. 30% ni yang kita gunakan bahagian atas ni, yang 70% ni baki. Ni dalam masa sehari dia. So kita looking back balik, nak cari remaining percentage. So looking back, find the remaining percentage. 100% tolak 70% sama dengan 30%. So kita dapat ini, betul lah, 30%. Lepas tu kita calculate the remaining volume. Kita ni guna kaedah pendarapan. Kalau yang tadi kat sini kita guna tolak sebab kita guna subtraction method. Ni kita untuk check tapi kaedah lain. Ni kita guna kaedah darab. 70% darab total volume. 70% darab dengan 226,145 liter. So kita akan dapat 158,336.5 liter. Sama tak dengan ini? Sama. Apa ni, 30% sama dengan ni. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Minta maaf kalau ada kekurangan. InsyaAllah saya akan perbaiki untuk masa akan datang. Sekian, terima kasih.